Okay, we're out here today at 4330 Ashland Drive in Macon to do a repairability test or assessment. This is my control area. Shingle being removed. Shingles that will be manipulated. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 in order to attempt this repair. Got my working area down here. Don't have a paintbrush, so I'm using my glove for granular retention. But let's go ahead and perform this. First, we're going to need to break the seal on these shingles ever so slightly. As you can see right here, granules are popping out everywhere. That one's already. There's a tear right there. I'll get a picture of that in a moment. Just breaking the seal on that one. As you can tell, the granules are so bad it's pulling off my chalk. Alright. Now we're going to start here. Follow CertainTeed's guidelines where we go underneath, we lift the nail, push the shingle back down, and remove the nail. So that's how we're going to do this. This thing's not tight. Already have mat transfer on these to the point where it's holding the nails in. It's very tight. There. Tear, pull through right there. Still got one on this side. Another tear there. As you can tell, there is mat transfer. There's a pull through right there. I'll take photos of this, but yes, matting transfer on this, on the shingle. So you can see see the granule loss in the video already, just manipulating those shingles. I should probably do it with a brush. Granules everywhere. So let's go ahead and put this shingle back. It's just a little too big. Got that. Now, do want to document, I'm going to take photos in just a little bit. The nail line is right here. In order to get that nail line, I'm going to have to lift that shingle right there to properly install this. So we're going to start there. Adding nails on the other shingles that weren't even there. Same thing here. So that shingle's there. Lift this one just enough to get that in there. As you can tell, there's a tear there. Do so. Very, very tight shingle. It is what it is. Let's torque that. Multiple failures to get this in installed correctly, and I cannot use the same holes, so I have to go beside those nail pulls. And I'm going to take photos of this mat transfer stuff here so you guys can see it. As you can tell, there's several fails. There's a tear there. Slight granule loss, so let's do that first. Our retention of the granules here in controlled area, and then here you can see all of that. But yes, there's multiple failures here. We're going to document those and take pictures, but get my camera set back up and I'll show them to you before I take pictures so you're aware. So we got this one here, fail, fail. There's a tear there, tons of granule loss. Tear here, tear there, creasing here. Let's see. Tons of granule loss, so I would say that this is an overall fail. Yeah, we'll get the photos and get this sent in.